That business at college in Washington?
No, I can't say I do.
Remember you said you thought there was something going on between him and Kiko Yamamoto? You don't suppose he might have committed suicide because of feeling guilty about what happened to Kiko?
No, I wouldn't think so. He wasn't that sort at all.
Yeah, I agree.
More?
Shut up!
Oh! Hello, Omer here. What? Good God, what terrible news. But thank you for letting me know.
What is it? What's happened?
It's Mr. Yamanobe, the managing director, who was seconded to South America.
What news about him?
Apparently, he was ambushed by local guerrillas and murdered.
What?
Mrs. Yamanobe, may I express my deepest regrets and sincere condolences. If there's anything you need...
I'm so terribly sorry.
Thank you. Thank you for coming, Mr. Kawamata.
Your husband's sudden death is a great tragedy for all of us. And on behalf of the company, I'd like to express our collective grief and sense of loss.
Why, Mr. Kawamata? Why him?
Unfortunately, the world is not always a friendly place. And that country in particular is very dangerous, I know, because I worked there for some years myself.
But why did the company send him to such a dangerous place?
Mrs. Yamanobe, I understand and share your feelings because, as you know, your husband was also my best friend. However, you should try not to grieve so much or he will not be able to rest in peace. But you can count on me for any assistance or help. Please rest assured of that.
Thank you, Mr. Kawamata. Thank you very much.
Shall we go outside?
Yes, let's.
What a strong little boy their son is. He managed to keep back his tears. I didn't see him cry once.
Hiroshi! Hiroshi!
You go on ahead. I'll go find Hiroshi.
Okay, but bring him back here.
Oh, Daddy! Oh, Daddy!
No, please, no. Oh, please, I don't understand. What do you want? What have I done? Sachiko! Hiroshi!
It was Kawamata.
Kawamata speaking. Who's this on the line?
Kawamata.
Huh? Who the hell is playing games?
Kawamata.
Huh? Who are you? Answer me.
Don't you recognize me? It's Yamanobe.
What?
I beg you, please get me out of here.
In my humble opinion, you are in dire need of an attorney.
Who the hell, may I ask, are you?
That's not an issue for the time being. The only thing you need to know right now is that I am the only person on Earth who can help you solve your problem. And rest assured, my friend, you do have a problem.
Waiter, over here. I want you to get rid of this man.
Huh? Stop that! Stop that now! Would you really...
I won't charge you for this consultation, but I'll leave you my card. I'll be hearing from you.
Huh? Huh? What the hell is this?
Good morning, Mr. Kawamata.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Kawamata.
Good morning, Mr. Kawamata.
Good morning, young man.
Pardon me, sir, but you don't look very well.
Ah, yes, I don't feel very well.
Kawamata, here I am again. It's me. Yamanobe, I want to come back. I want to come back, my friend. You must help me. I want to come back.
This comes as no surprise. I told you I'd be hearing from you. I suppose you had a chance to test the effectiveness of my amulet, But I have to warn you that its power won't last very long. It is but a temporary aid, and its potency is extremely limited.
Would you say that your field of activity is mainly in the spirit world?
Yes, mainly. You see, the dead are always accusing the living. People die in all sorts of ways. Some are killed in accidents. Some commit suicide because of pain or shame caused by another. Some are killed by greed and ambition. All these spirits cry out for judgment, which is not based on ordinary law, but on the law of darkness. They'll return to haunt over and over again until the accused are destroyed by their own fear. The living are terribly vulnerable to spirits, and they have very little idea of how they can protect themselves. I am the attorney who can mediate on behalf of the living in the court of darkness, and therefore help and protect them from the spirits.
Yes, now that I understand, I'd like to hire you as my attorney.
My fee is 50 million yen.
What?
And I adamantly refuse to take a penny more.
But that's an outrageous sum. Who the hell do you think you are?
Well, you could always try and find someone else. That wouldn't bother me in the slightest.